Peace and blessings. This is Marqueshia for those of you who are new and those of you who are not, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to turn our dried sea moss into sea moss gel. I'm taking roughly 2 ounces, which is about a fistful. That's really all you need of our moss. It blooms once it rehydrates. You want to make sure that you rinse it off and get all of the sea salt or anything else that may be on there. This is a living food, and you'll see once I rinse it off, you'll see why I say you only need about a fistful. This will ball up in my hand, and I'll show you it's literally a fistful of moss. Now, our sea moss is wild harvested and organic. It will not be uniform. Once it bloom up, it looks different, but it is all the same. It has 92 of the 102 minerals that your body needs to thrive. You then want to take it and put it in a bowl of your choice and cover it with quality water. I'm using spring water here. That's the preferred water that we use in our household. And you want to make sure that it's completely covered. Put more than you think you need, because I'm telling you guys it's going to swell up. You then want to cover it and sit it to the side on the counter overnight. If you feel it the next day and it's still kind of hard, just recover it and let it sit a little bit longer. And once it blooms up, you'll see that fistful turns into a bowl full of moss. This is what it looks like. Like I was saying, it's not uniform, but it's all the same. You then want to put it into your blender using your spring water. I pour out the water that it soaks in and start with fresh water. Do what you prefer. Some people add limes when they're soaking it. I stick straight to the point. Now that I'm adding it to the blender, depending on the type of blender that you have, you may want to do a little bit at a time. Our blender has a strong motor, so we can put it in, blend it down, and let it go. And once it's done blending, and it should be smooth, there shouldn't be any lumps in it. If there is, you may want to add a little bit more water. And when it's completely smooth, you see it's the consistency of a pudding. I guess that's what you would call it. You want to pour it into your glass mason jars or whatever glass jar that you choose to use. Cover it with a lid. Put it into the refrigerator, and it'll gel up overnight. This recipe that I provide on the back of the package, it makes it thick. I like mine really thick. But if you want it thinner, add more water. And I literally take 1 to 2 heaping tablespoons of this every day. You can add it to your smoothies, soups, or sauces. It's up to you. And this is available on our website, www.bymarqueshiafountain.com. And I send you peace, love, and light on your journey. Peace.